Okay, for today we're going to do our Word project on designing a waiver and a release of liability form. So, first thing, File, Save As, Computer, Desktop, W-9, Waiver and Release. Alright, so we're going to first save the document, which we've done, and then make sure that our page is 8.5 by 11, which it is. Our font should be between 10 and 12. We're going to insert our skateboarding logo. Insert picture. Make sure that it is centered. Home. Center. Resize. We want to make sure that this one's tiny. Okay. Double space after the logo and key in the following information centered. Then double space and key in the following information centered in a 14 bold all caps. So we're going to change this to 14, click our bold, and hit the caps lock button. Double space, and then start keying in the information with left aligned, a 0.5 inch tab, which is already normal for the indent, and beginning of each paragraph, double space between the paragraphs. So we're going to take the bold off. We're going to click left aligned. And begin typing. Okay, now that the body is all typed in, we're going to double space and insert a dashed line. Just hold down the dash key that is next to the equal sign and backspace. Hit enter. We want to tell the automatic correct not to do that. Under the dash line, we're going to single space and key the following information as shown, centered, 10-point bold. So we're going to change this to a 10, bold, and center. Double space and insert a table. That has 8 rows and 2 columns. So a 2 by 8. Using the table properties, make the table row height 0.3 and set the cell alignment to the bottom. Table row height 0.3 and the cell alignment bottom. We need to redo that because we didn't select the whole table. So table properties row, specify the height 0.3, cell alignment at the bottom. Using a font size of 10, so let's make sure that that did not change. Okay. Point bold, still on bold. Key the information in the respective cells. Right, left aligned. So let's highlight the whole text and make it all left aligned. And then begin typing. We tab to get to the next cell. And we did not get the whole thing left aligned. Address, tab, continue typing the entire table. Okay, now that we've keyed in the text to the table, we need to merge a few cells. So the parent guardian signature, merge cell, the driver's license, right click, merge cells, and then finally the notary requirement. Merge cells. And the very last one should be centered. Format the table to show a border around the table and the cells as we've already done. Carefully proofread your work for accuracy and format. So we want this to all be on one document. The only way that we can change that is to come up here and make our text smaller. So we're going to highlight all the text and let's take it down to a 10. Still a little too big. So we're going to go to our page layout design and change our margins, narrow. And now we have enough room, but our table needs to be centered. So click on the table, home, and center. We need to click our line here and center. Now the format looks good. And we click save. Don't forget to attach this to your assignment in classroom.google.com and then click turn in.